Hey guys, this quick video would like to show you how to turn off VoiceOver option on iPhone now. So let's start the video.
Calculator, App Store, Settings, Maps, Calculator, Gmail, Mail, no unread emails, Settings. Double tap to open. Calculator, App Store, Settings, Calculator, Preview, Games. Double tap to open. Settings. Double tap to open.
After you unlocked our screen here, you can easily turn off the VoiceOver option. Just ask Siri. Hey Siri. Turn off VoiceOver.
Okay, I turn VoiceOver off.
That's it now. The VoiceOver was completely turned off. So after that, you can normally use your iPhone. Suppose if you turned off Siri means it's a different process. Now I again turn on VoiceOver. Let's see how to turn off that. Just tap Settings. Then Settings, then scroll down. You just need to tap this empty space and use your 3-finger and move. Then open Accessibility.
Open an items action. You've practiced.
Open VoiceOver.
Accessibility. VoiceOver. VoiceOver.
Now turn off
Switch
this.
button. On. Double tap to toggle setting. VoiceOver off.
That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please consider like and subscribe button to our channel for more tips and tricks. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.